Hi, we're going to be making just a lovely basic little snowman today. You'll need some white icing, some black icing, a few other colours, green, a little bit of red for his nose, and just a few random colours really. I'll just use anything that I can find in the drawer. So first of all, we're going to make the snowman's hat. You need to keep it airtight really, all this modelling icing, because it really does dry out very quickly. Okay, just going to roll the black icing out, which is going to be the snowman's hat. Not too thin. I've just taken this cutter, which is actually a bottom of a lolly stick maker, and there's your basic hat. Take the rest of the modelling clay, roll it into a sausage, and we're just going to form the centre of the hat. I just roll it out, cut a little bit of the sausage off like that. Just pop a little bit of glue in the middle of there, edible glue, or you can use icing sugar. And there's your top of your snowman's hat. Just set that aside, you can leave them to dry. Now we're going to make the basic snowman, which is very basic, just a round ball, whatever size you want your snowman, followed by a smaller one for the snowman's head. It's about right, I think. Grab a couple of cocktail sticks, stick the cocktail stick in the centre of the big one, and now you can put a little glue or icing sugar just to help it stick. Let me pop his head on. Leaving a little bit of the cocktail stick there, which helps to hold his hat on. Okay, there's your basic snowman. Take your cocktail stick, just a bit less than half, snap it off, get a little bit of your red or your orange icing, form it into a bit of a cone shape. We're going to try and make it look like a carrot nose. Push your stick to the end of it. Then we just pop your nose in the middle of your snowman. Give it another squeeze. Shape it up. And there's your carrot nose. Now your eyes and your buttons, I just buy some small chalky bits, paint a little bit of glue on for his eyes. Like I say, you can use icing if you haven't got to buy the glue. Put his eyes on. I use a pair of tweezers because it's much easier. Going to give him a couple of buttons down here. Just put it to one side a minute. And I've got a little bit of green icing here. Just give him a little scarf, keep him warm. Just roll it into a sausage. Then I just roll the rolling pin up it once. Make sure it's not stuck to the board. Tidy it up a little bit. Make a few little lines just to give it the appearance of it being a scarf. On the other end. Just paint a little bit of glue on the back of his neck. A little bit of glue where the scarf's going to finish. Just a little bit of glue around his head. I'm going to pop his apple. And there we go. We have a little snowman, which is very easy to make. I make a few little smaller ones as well and pop them in the middle of the cake. Looks very professional. Hope you enjoyed that. Have fun and thanks for watching.